Good morning. We are in Covington, Kentucky this morning, and we're about ready to take the last of our drone shots. We're here on a 2-day assignment in Ohio. A British documentary company has hired me to shoot drone shots for several of their stories.
What's the name of the show?
The show is called Engineering Catastrophes.
Okay.
And so this is an opportunity to take a little road trip. We've got the
puppies in the back.
Dogs in the back, and they're good road warriors. And we're off to take the last of the shots, and then look and see what we would like to enjoy in the
Something in Cincinnati.
Cincinnati, pretty town. So I fly the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Had it a couple of years, just took the recurrent exam, so I'm current with my FAA pilot's license. And we always look for an area that's out of traffic. No tree branches. There's some wires here, but I'm going to stay clear of them. And you can see the image that the camera is seeing. I can see that it's a little hot, so I'm going to bring that down just a touch. And now I'm ready to launch. Another safe landing. So what is it? It's not even 9:30, and I've completed my my flying and shooting and filming sessions for the day.
What, about an hour?
Yeah, about an hour.
About an hour we've been out.
And so that leaves what? The rest of the day for what?
Fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
A little sightseeing.
Fun in Cincinnati.
Cincinnati. May pick up some Skyline chili for the way home. And maybe take the dogs for a walk.
A long walk. Hey, it looks like the sun is coming out.
So we're taking the dogs for a riverfront walk in Cincinnati. And what do we come across?
Oh my gosh. How cool is that? You got to have the bulb part of it.
So what's your guess here? These are bulbs from the Cincinnati Gardens?
Yeah, I guess they're from here. I don't know why. They probably put new ones in, I'm guessing.
So that's an unexpected find, huh?
Yeah, this is very cool. Who would have thought? That's good.
Okay, you want to put them in the car now?
I probably should. I can run them over.
That's my good girl. You want to go for a walk, huh?
This is great. What a view. Oh my God, I'm loving this. It's gorgeous. I don't know what some of this stuff is. Oh my God.
Pretty, huh?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Sometimes to get the best view of a city, you actually have to go out of the city, in this case, out of the state. We're actually standing in Covington, Kentucky. And it's a great vantage point to get just an absolutely beautiful shot of downtown Cincinnati. So traveling with the dog, something indispensable is this hammock. Fits into the, clips to the front seat in the back, keeps all the dead dog hair and dander. Keeps all the dander and dog hair in check. And our last stop before heading home, some cans of Skyline chili. What are your thoughts about Cincinnati?
Love Cincinnati. It reminds me a little bit of the South and of the East, and it's not far from Chicago for a weekend trip, and great restaurants. And beautiful bridges.
Does not look like the Midwest. Looks like as you said, an eastern or a southern town. It sounds like there's some great history here, Civil War history. Yeah, it's a great area.
Beautiful. Yes. Thumbs up. Okay, so is it a wrap?
It's a wrap. We've got the Skyline chili. We've got
Lots of leftovers.
Lots of leftovers, a drone full of great epic drone shots, and about a 5-hour trip ahead of us back to Chicago.
Home sweet home.